Okay, it is January 2010. We had a really bad snowstorm come through. As you see, everything is covered. See how deep? Probably at least a couple inches. Supposed to be a driveway right here, some grass, and another driveway, and my car is covered. There's supposed to be a street there too, which you can't see. It's crazy. This is backyard. Here's the backyard.
Oh, bird prints. Oh, they ate all the food. See, I put some of it out of here into the table. Maybe.
Yeah, she put bird food out there, I think. Was it last night?
I filled that up.
Yeah, it's all gone, or most of it.
Oh, look, there's the cardinal. Here's the female cardinal. And there's the male down on the ground.
Yeah, it's just gross. Just a solid sheet of white snow on our backyard.
Well, outside front too.